that, you can just go up the left corner and hold Alt to do this, and then just brush it. It will have like the little line, but it's just because you're zoomed out. But yeah, then you'll want to get your text, your fonts, whatever you want to call it. Come in here, just do how to make, highlight this, make it white. Best opinion for thumbnails is making everything really bold. Make it bold texts, bold everything. The more bold it is, the more like it will stand out to people when they're coming across YouTube videos. That's why I suggest anyways. You don't have to listen to me, it's up to you. But yeah, so you grab it like that, put it in the middle. No, that's not the middle. What am I talking about, bro? Where's the middle, bro? Where's that little line? There's the middle. Alright, get in the middle. Get like a little picture you're gonna make, which I'm gonna just use something I've already made. Like, I'll just use go pics, thumbnails. I'll just use how to make easy loading screens. We'll do this one, hey. If it wants to load. Alright, bet. Let's make. Nah, that's a bit too much. But you grab anything like that. Like, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of, just grab like a picture that you want. Probably prefer whatever you're making. So if you're making like a Photoshop, just do that one. Oh, yeah, I'll just do this one. Gonna make it smaller, like this. Make it line up like that. Make it a bit smaller. Go down to this tool down here. Do a square around it. Make this like above it, like this. Drag this below it. Keep it black. Just put it to like a size you want it. This is gonna be like an outer glow in your picture. Like, I'll show you what I mean. Do it like around there. We'll right click on it. Go to blending options. Come down to here. Outer glow. Change the color to white. Make it a bit bigger like that. I mean, you can fuck around with it like however you like, so make it like a little bit like that. And spread. I don't want spread. After you make the glow, you can literally just like that. Makes it stand out. I mean, if you don't want white, you can do any other color you'd like, but it gives it that pop, like that. Then you do your bottom text. I'll go to my first text actually before I jump into that. So go to your top text, right click, blending options, do outer glow. You can do whatever you really like, it's up to you. You can make that like that, make it even pop even more. Boom, and then you do thumbnails or whatever you're making. So you do that. Let's fix up that. There we go, now we got that like that. Yeah, that looks fine, that looks fine. Alright, what I like to do is make this like a different color, a brighter color. Like, you can still make it like that, but like yellow pops out a lot. So come to here, I'll just do like a nice yellow or gold. Yeah, that pops out a lot. Like, just think of it this way. You're scrolling on YouTube, you see like a video, oh wow, I want to know how to do that, you know, like probably what you're gonna do in this video, hopefully. But yeah, hit that like button, you know. But after you've got what you want, I guess we can add some outer glow to this as well. So just right click, blending options, come down to outer glow, do this, down to here, buzz, like that. If you want a stroke as well, you can do that, but I'm not going to be doing that too much for that. Not really. You don't want to like make it really like a lot. Just want to make it. So once you've done everything on the logo, just make sure you hide the top part. Come down to here, get like an arrow. This pack's really good. Shout out to Sona just one more time. Yeah, we'll use something like this. Even if you don't like the color of it, just come back to your work. Buzz. I like the color because it stands out with this, you know. Just let it load. Let's just boom. Point it to where, probably in the image, but I do whatever. Like that. Buzz, done. Perfect, just like that. Give it an extra, you know. I'll do a tutorial how to make that as well. That'll be quick and simple after this video. Come to borders, this pops it out a lot as well. So we can do like a, we'll do like a blue, I reckon. Blue is this kind of thumbnail. So come in there, grab it, go to your video, buzz. Trust me, mate, I'm not good at this. Just learning. Everyone learns. To the corner. Make it a bit bigger on this side, like that. Buzz, buzz.
It's all about humanity.
And that's pretty much all I really do with thumbnails. If you want to go into extent, like, sure you can, but it's just a thumbnail at the end of the day. Only do that with like your editing. Like this pack that you want, if you want to get it, it's good because it's got brush, emojis, explosions, flares. Might look for some in here. It's just like literally, you can do a lot of stuff. Yeah, you can just turn this like that. Make this like basically touch it. Bro, you can do so much stuff. Or you can even just put that like, so you can even just so grab it, line it up. So we're gonna do like a bit shorter. Here, look, I'll do something else to line it up like this. Boom. Like that. Put it to the sides just a little bit more. Control J, copy it, do another side, flip it around like that. I think you've seen this coming. Make it a little bit smaller like this.
It's all about humanity.
Like just like that, that's perfect. My best bet is, once you got that, come back to this, put this so it literally just looks like it's attached. Like that, perfect. Not perfect actually, just like that. Like that, that's perfect. Come into this one, it's a bit too tall. Like that. Then you want to do Control J, come to this side. Like that. Like this, come down a bit. Like that. Yeah, you just fuck around with it. But if you're done with it, if you like it how it was before, yeah, pretty much that's it. Just make it look really nice. Nice. Make it look very nice. This is literally gonna be the thumbnail for my video, so you're gonna know what this looks like. And I bet. So if you like it like that, or we'll probably put this on top of it all like that. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so that's pretty much all to make a thumbnail. If you liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, whatever. If you come to my Discord, which is gonna be first thing in the description, you can pick up these packs. It's gonna be in GFX. Oh, actually, I'll leak it. But we're gonna have a thumbnail pack by Sona. If you can't find the pack, just literally search it up on YouTube. It's called thumbnail pack. I'll even show you right now. Go to YouTube. Shout out to Relentless as well. I just got the first part of the video. Yeah. Anyways, okay. So we're gonna search up thumbnail pack. Literally right there. First link. That's it. Right there. You can even get these ones if you want. I have that one. They're right, but literally just search up thumbnail pack on YouTube, download it, come to this, and just follow the tutorial. Mad, shout out, laters.